So at a recent talk, people were asking me, what's important if you're going to start a thru hike? What should you be thinking about? And it's not just a thru hike, it's backpacking in general. If you've not done a lot of it, I think the most important thing is shakedown cruises. Get out there and try your gear, but also try and get on a trail or go with people that are experienced, or get on a trail that, you're going to run into a lot of experienced hikers and just watch them. You'll see them in habit and in gear, things that you don't even know what you don't know. And so just being out there and watching other people on a thru hike, if you're new at it, even if you're not new at it, you're going to see people doing things that you've never thought of, and you're going to add it to your repertoire. And the other thing is food, water, fuel management. I mean, you can buy all the light gear there is out there, and I'm all for that. It's taken a lot of weight off me over the years. But if you're just defeating the purpose if then you carry too much water, too much fuel, too much food. And so you've really got to find your happy point in those areas. Where your resupply stops are going to be. Just carry the minimum if you can. That's going to take a lot of weight. A liter of water is 2 pounds. So I'm not saying run out of water, because here on the Arizona Trail last year, just hiking a 100-mile section, I had to call 911. I found 2 people severely dehydrated. They were carrying water and not even drinking it. And so, I'm not saying don't carry water. I'm just saying try and get all the information you can where the next resupply is. When you come to water, camel up, and don't run out of water, but try and predict when your next water is going to be, and carry as little as you think you have to. And the other thing is, again, back to the you don't know what you don't know, and I'm the poster child for this. The first year I started the PCT, I only made it 150 miles, and I know better, but I didn't have my ice axe, I didn't have crampons, I had the spikes, and I slid down Apache Peak, and that was a lesson that I'm never going to forget. People have died there, and I just got lucky. But this year I worry about the people starting the PCT that have never hiked in the Sierras, in the snow. Southern California fools a lot of people. There's a lot of snow in Southern California, so that first 700 miles is not all desert. And then you hit the Sierra, then you worry about snow. No, you got the San Bernardinos. Just outside of Idlewild is where I slid, and that's only a couple weeks up the trail. So you really have to maybe hook up with other people if you haven't hiked in those kind of areas. I was by myself when I slid down, wasn't carrying an inReach. If I would have broken something, I'd probably still be down there. And this year, the Sierras are over 250% snowpack already. It's going to be a heck of a year, and people are probably going to die. And it's, snow bridges, dealing with snow bridges, dealing with water crossings as that spring melt comes on, sliding down a mountain like I did, doing something stupid. So you just really have to be prepared, I guess, and be prepared mentally as well as equipment wise. So just some things to think about. Keep smiling.